Hello, it's the 28th of January. Welcome back to Cumbrian Homestead. It's another wet one. So it's going to be in the kitchen this morning. Spin you around. So yeah, I'm going to make a fish pie. So come along if you want. So let's just have a quick look through the ingredients. So we've got potatoes. I can't remember, I think they're Aran pilot or something. Some finely chopped shallot or onion will do. I've got some carrot here that's already been cooked, just to throw in. We've got some soft cheese to make the cheesy sauce, and also got some Italian style, a bit like Parmesan. A tin of pink salmon or red salmon you could use. We've got some hard boiled eggs, some prawns, and here I've got some small cod fillet, which I need to skin them and take the pin bones out. The seasoning, of course, and anything else I think of as I go along, I'll let you know. So the first thing is, let's get our potatoes on. I'm just going to set the tripod down a minute. Put some salt in those. So we'll get those boiled. Let's see if we can't skin some of these fillets. These are caught. It's somebody who the brother-in-law works with, and he has his own boat, and so these are caught on rod and line. They're not trawled or anything. It's whatever you can get hold of, I suppose, isn't it? If you can't get hold of fresh. You can use frozen, I suppose, yeah. No reason why you can't do that. A good pound and a half, about 6 ounces of prawns, say a tin of salmon, so it should be a nice chunky fish pie. Okay, so I've got I've just put some ordinary, just warm water in there. Just gonna heat that up gently. We'll just poach those fillets for about 5 minutes or so. With regard to the dish, this is the size. It's probably about 9 inches square or something like that by a couple of inches deep. Pyrex oven proof dish. So when those are poached, I'll bring you back. Yeah, so while that fish is poaching, I've just got some olive oil here, and just going to sweat off those finely chopped shallots. Just going to put some butter in there as well. Potatoes are just coming up to boil, so turn those down. And already you can see the fish is starting to change colour on the outside edges. I'll probably turn that over halfway through, so another couple of minutes I'll turn the fillets over. Yeah, those are looking good, the shallots. So I think that fish is cooked, so we'll switch that pan off now. In with the onions. I'll put these carrots in. So they've already been cooked. I'm just add colour to the dish really. And I've got just soft cheese, full fat. So I'm probably going to put about at least half of that tub into there. I'll just bring you back in a sec. can always put some more in if need be. Melting down, I can transfer some of the fish into to the dish here. Break it up into chunks. You see, it's just coming apart really easily. That was just poached for about, as I say, about 5 minutes. That's all it needs. Just flaking up really nice. So, a bit like that. Put in the salmon. Say that was tinned salmon. Pink salmon, you can use whatever salmon you can get hold of, I guess. Again, just flake that up. Pull any bits of bones out. Too bothered about skin, to be honest. Take some of the boiled eggs, a couple of the boiled eggs, and just place those strategically, he said. Chuck them in anywhere you want. But yeah, like that. Then got our prawns. So I'm going to put some sea salt and pepper on that now, and this needs to, you know, melt a bit more yet. And then to this I'm going to add some milk and some double cream and some of that Parmesan cheese, and that will make our cheesy sauce to go onto there. And then of course the mashed potato, they won't be far off now, will go on top. Smelling really good. So I'll bring you back in due course. Yeah, so excuse me, I actually dumped the whole pack of soft cheese in there. I want it really rich and cheesy and creamy. And I'm going to put the this is actually Elmley. It's sort of substitute because I don't have any double cream to hand just now. But it should work just as well. Okay, it's looking good. Like I said, I've seasoned the mix here, and I've put a bit of pepper in here as well, I think. You could put some nutmeg in, you could put, I don't have any of that, you could put parsley in, perhaps a bit of spinach. I might just put a dash of lemon juice in it actually. I added just a splash of lemon juice and some ground black pepper in there, so that sauce now is looking really good. Yeah, those are cooked now, so I'll drain those off and get those mashed. Okay, let's put a big knob of butter onto those. Put the oven on, fan oven 210. Thereabouts, 240, 220, so somewhere around about there should do it. Okay, so we get that preheated. Anyway, I'm sure you don't want to watch me mash these. I'll bring you back when they're done. Okay, so I'll just put some seasoning on the potato, mashed potato. Black pepper. And going to add some of the grated Italian cheese. Quite a nice. Stir that in. I also added a little bit of cream into here as well, into the potato. Yeah, that's looking quite nice now. Okay. So now we just need to get this mashed potato dolloped on there. I mean, I know you could pipe it on and all that stuff, but this is we're up north, you know, lad. We don't do stuff fancy like piping bags and all that than ours. Right, so I'll bring you back when I've got that smoothed off, okay? There we go. Right, I'm just going to run a fork over the surface. So, and then we'll just add some more of the Italian grated cheese. Hopefully it'll just give a nice golden brown top. Give the man a hand. Alright, so now we're going to slam that in the oven 25 to 30 minutes. It's the light's gone off, so it's up to temperature. Yeah, what do you think of the new oven gloves? Eh? Bad boys these, aren't they? Woo! Silicone and with this kind of grip thing, gauntlets I suppose, yeah. The old pair we'd had about 20 years and they were disgusting. So they'd gone in the bin. I forgot to say, about 10 minutes in I realised it might bubble over the edge, so I put it on a tray. Oh lordy, lordy, that looks good, Woody. I can smell you. So, I'm happy with that, if aesthetically, if not else. Now to accompany a white wine, Vitalita. It's an Italian white wine, so we're going to wash it down with a glass or two of that, I think. Oh wow. Oh. Absolutely delicious. Well worth it. Alright, catch you later.